Are you looking for the best sprinkle and splash play mats in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best sprinkle and splash play mats that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To see the more information about these products, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure you subscribe for more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the QPAU Sprinkle and Splash Play Mat. The QPAU Sprinkle and Splash Mat is suitable for children between the age of 3 and 5 years old. It has a diameter of 68 inches and is therefore large enough to hold many children safely. The mat comes in blue and has beautiful graphics on its upper surface that do not fade over time. Finally, the thickened edges of the mat are sturdy and less prone to rupturing when pressure is high. While in use, the QPAU enables you to adjust water pressure and thus set a fountain height that will fascinate your baby boy or girl. The heavy-duty PVC used to make it as sturdy and thus does not wear out quickly. Furthermore, PVC is BPA-free and, therefore, safe for your kids' health and the environment. The QPAU Sprinkle and Splash Mat is sturdy and therefore, long-lasting. It has beautiful graphics that make it attractive to children. Moving on at number 4. We have the SplashEZ Sprinkle and Splash Mat. SplashEZ Sprinkle and Splash Mat has an inflatable design with an excellent playing surface for children. You can also deflate it by draining water to make it smaller and easy to carry. A large play area with a 60-inch diameter gives children ample space to play. You can also use this play mat as a wading pool to teach your child how to swim. The SplashEZ Sprinkle and Splash Mat is safe for your child as it has a non-toxic PVC shell that is also sturdy and durable. You can wash this mat in clean water and soap with ease. The manufacturer provides you with client support that you can access anytime you need help. SplashEZ Sprinkle and Splash Mat is extensive and provides your children with a comfortable play area. It is also easy to clean and is sturdy and durable. At number 3, we have the Jasonwell Sprinkle and Splash Play Mat. Jasonwell Sprinkle and Splash Play Mat is available in blue and has beautiful graphics that are attractive to children. Its sizable 68-inch diameter enables the play mat to hold many children at the same time. The mat is also unisex and thus suitable for boys and girls aged between 2 and 5 years. Installing this mat is easy and takes a short time. It only requires you to connect a PVC tubing or garden hose and then adjust its water pressure to a kid-safe level. The PVC construction of Jasonwell Sprinkle and Splash Play Mat is sturdy and designed to withstand the test of time. The material is also eco-friendly and non-toxic, making it safe for your kids and pets, and has dielectrically welded seams that do not rupture when exposed to high water pressure. Finally, the 100% client satisfaction guarantee offered ensures that all queries and concerns you may have regarding the play mat receive satisfactory solutions. Jasonwell Sprinkle and Splash Play Mat is ideal for boys and girls. It has a sturdy PVC shell and dielectric welding that make it robust and durable. At number 2, we have the Splashin'kids Sprinkle and Splash Play Mats. Splashin'kids Sprinkle and Splash Play Mats are suitable for 6-year-olds and older children. It has a sturdy PVC shell that is easy to wash. The material is also BPA-free and hypoallergenic and will not cause your child any harm. Your child can play on this mat for a long time since it does wear quickly. Finally, its large surface can hold many kids at once, maximizing their playing experience. The pleasant graphics of the Splashin'kids Sprinkle and Splash Play Mats are attractive to most children. Moreover, the experience on a Sprinkle and Splash Play Mat is thrilling to your child or pet and mostly safe. You can easily attach the mat to any of your garden hoses and let your children have fun anywhere in the compound. Adjustable water pressure allows you to set the best fountain height for your children and pets. A release valve allows you to drain water from the play mat with ease after use to keep it ready for the next playtime. The Splashin'kids Sprinkle and Splash Play Mat has a release valve for draining water quickly after use. It is also easily attachable to any garden hose, allowing your children to play anywhere in the garden. And finally, at number 1, we have the KKONES Sprinkle and Splash Play Mat. The KKONES Sprinkle and Splash Play Mat has a 68-inch diameter. Thus, it can comfortably hold many children and pets who can play on the mat at the same time. You can adjust the water pressure to attain fountains with the height that you prefer. It is also easy to set this play mat up since no skill or hardware is necessary for its installation. You only need to identify a desirable spot to place the mat and attach a water hose. You should then set the water pressure, and your children and pets can get into the mat and have fun. You can use the KKONES Sprinkle and Splash Play Mat in all settings, thanks to its versatile design. It has a PVC shell, which is easy to wash to get rid of dirt and germs. The material is also sturdy and gives your mat a long service life. Finally, you do not need to worry about your kids' and pets' safety since PVC is a non-toxic material. It is also eco-friendly and does not therefore cause any harm to the environment. The 3-month warranty offered by the manufacturer takes care of all repair and replacement costs that might arise. With the KKONES Sprinkle and Splash Play Mat, you will never worry about the safety of your child. Its material is safe and thus causes no health issues to a child and pet. It also has a flexible design that works seamlessly in all settings. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe my channel to see more videos like this. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.